Hello everyone, this is Agalya from Department of Food Service Management and Dietetics, Kaveri College for Women Autonomous Trichy. In this module, let us discuss about equipment and their classification. Definition of equipment. The term equipment refers to all the machinery, tools, utensils, crockery, cutlery, furniture which may be used for preparation, service and storage of the food item. Classification of equipment. Equipment may be classified in number of ways according to weight or size, order in which it is used in production cycle of food service establishment, and according to their mode of operation. Let us discuss about the classification based on weight or size. So based on weight or size, it can be classified into heavy duty, medium duty and light duty. Heavy duty equipment. The heavy duty category includes all the equipment that are generally too heavy to move around and therefore meant to be fitted or installed after careful planning. Such equipment, as the name suggests, made of heavy metal sheeting that can withstand hard use of long periods of time. Heavy duty or large equipment such as ranges, oven, mixing machines, range tops, griddles, fryers, etc. are generally manufactured in standard sizes with only slight variations produced by different manufacturers. Medium duty equipment. Medium duty equipment refers to pieces that are less difficult to move for occasional cleaning. They are constructed so as to get dismantled or moving around for rearrangements within the areas or placed on wheels to make them mobile. Some examples includes mixers, juicers, trolleys, food processors, etc. Light duty equipment. Light duty equipment can be more easily handled and move around or placed anywhere for use when it is required. It is light to use, smaller in size and include pieces like knives, service equipments, mechanical whisk, beaters and other daily use food preparation and service equipments. The next category is based on order of use. Equipment may be classified according to the order in which it is used in the production cycle of the establishment. They can be classified into 6 categories. We will discuss one by another. Receiving equipment. These are the equipment that can be used in the receiving area that includes platform, weighing scales, trolleys and so on. Storage equipment. These are the equipments that commonly used in storage area of the food service establishment like racks, shelf, bins, jars, portable or mobile bins for storing flour, sugar, rice, pulses and are more convenient to use and keep clean. Kitchen equipment. So these includes all the items necessary for the preparation, cooking, holding and serving of food and washing up. Kitchen equipment therefore consists of tables with suitable work surfaces. Peeling, cutting, grating, slicing equipment and oven, grill, cooking ranges, hot plates are commonly used in the food production area. Service equipment. These equipment includes tableware and accessories, food holding equipment such as bain-marie, refrigerator display cases, trolleys, cutleries and crockeries as well as trays. Clearing and cleaning equipment. This includes equipment for clearing plate waste and that needed for storage and disposal of waste materials like peels, foods from base and sides of pans, plate waste wrapping or empty cartons which are utmost importance in any establishment. Washing up equipment may include sink units, dishwashers, dryers, instant boilers for hot running water depending upon the size of the establishment. The 6th category would be waste disposal equipment. Equipment for waste disposal has been transferred from open dumps to the closed bins, sealed bag and incinerators. The 3rd classification of equipment is based on mode of operation. Depending on whether the equipment is fully hand operated, semi-automatic or fully automatic, the various pieces can be classified as mechanical, electrical, automated and so on according to the mode of operation. Automatic equipment. Automatic types includes sophisticated equipment with thermostatic controls and timers. They are motorized equipment and therefore requires less attention and effort to operate. Their output in terms of the number of units of food prepared is also more than the mechanical and semi-automatic type of equipment. Here you can see the example of automatic equipment. Modular equipment. In today's modern market, a variety of equipment are designed in a manner so that parts of one equipment can be used interchangeably in another equipment. They are very useful where the size of the establishment is small and number of equipment needs to be limited. Modular equipment enables food to be handled only when necessary and reduces its repeated transference. It can also increase the efficiency of workers by cutting out the extra time and effort which would otherwise have to be spent in transferring food from one equipment to the another equipment. Multi-use equipment. The equipment that falls into this category are food processors, which includes a number of attachments for multiple uses such as chopping, grating, peeling, dough making. Others include steamers, trolleys and boilers which can be used in different kind of dishes. Multi-use equipment also have the added advantage of occupying less space while providing flexibility in use, which can prove to be very crucial for the small or medium-sized establishments. Mobile equipment. Mobile equipment is that which can be moved from one setting to another as required, as in the case of trolleys, which need not to be ordered for placement at each work center but can be wheeled to it whenever needed. In short, it is one equipment that can help to perform multiple functions in food preparation. Any medium to light duty equipment can be made mobile if required for flexibility of placement and use. Labor saving devices. They improve the quality of products through producing standardized portion sizes and also reduce food handling by different people, thus minimizing the chances of cross contamination and ensuring wholesomeness of food offered to the customer. Custom built equipment. Any pieces of equipment which is specially designed to fit into a particular space, size or capacity required by any food service establishment is said to be custom built. All equipment manufacturers offer the service for custom building equipment to suit the needs of the individual establishments for size, shape, weight, and fit according to the available spaces. This category includes equipment like cupboard refrigerators, peeling machines of desired capacity, sink units of special sizes, ovens, and so on. Thanks for watching the video.